Welcome back to another Wealth Code video, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment if you want to see more of our great videos. Have you ever wondered why Elon Musk seems to outshine everyone in business? It's not just luck. Elon approaches competition like a chess game. Picture a grandmaster plotting moves ahead while others just focus on their current piece. His ability to anticipate changes, make big decisions, and take calculated risks sets him apart. While many entrepreneurs play it safe, Elon dives headfirst into challenges. Think of a swimmer choosing the deep end instead of the shallow. This reflects his commitment to leading innovation in electric cars, space travel, and beyond. He doesn't hesitate to invest time and money into groundbreaking ideas, even if they seem risky to others. And just when competitors think they understand his strategies, he shifts tactics again. Remember, success often comes from being willing to sail into uncharted waters, breaking free from the crowd, and taking bold risks. Musk's journey is a relentless pursuit of innovation that inspires many to think bigger and bolder. Elon Musk operates with a unique vision that others struggle to match. Imagine being given the task of designing a future city. Most would just make it functional, but Musk imagines incorporating solar roofs, super-fast transit systems, and even high-speed tunnels. He focuses not just on the immediate needs, but also on long-term sustainability. This visionary mindset resembles a gardener nurturing a tree to grow big, strong, and provide shade for many, rather than just a little fruit now. Musk constantly challenges the status quo by dreaming exceptionally large. Rather than thinking, "What's possible today?" he asks, "What could be possible in 10 years?" This futuristic perspective drives him to tackle seemingly impossible goals, like colonizing Mars. When others see obstacles, he sees opportunities. This visionary approach attracts talented people who share his dreams and are excited to contribute, creating an unstoppable momentum. Joining Musk is like winning a ticket for a ride to an exciting unknown, making the journey thrilling for everyone involved. To understand Elon Musk, you must grasp his view of failure. Consider a kid learning to ride a bike. They may fall a few times before mastering it. Similarly, Musk believes that failures are just stepping stones to success. He famously states that if things aren't failing, you aren't innovating enough. This attitude encourages his team to take risks and learn fast. For instance, SpaceX had multiple rocket failures before successfully launching reusable rockets, a game changer in the industry. Each failure provided valuable lessons, and Musk embraced them rather than running away. Failure isn't something to fear, it's a chance to improve. Imagine a chef experimenting with a new recipe. Some dishes don't taste good initially, but each attempt brings them closer to perfection. By fostering a culture that encourages experimentation, Musk attracts creative-minded individuals who aren't afraid of setbacks, knowing every failure brings them closer to breakthrough success. Ultimately, this resilience builds a powerful foundation for innovation that outpaces competitors stuck in their comfort zones. Speed is crucial for Elon Musk's competitive edge. Imagine two race cars before a starting line. One revs its engine and takes off, while the other hesitates and waits. Musk embodies the former. He believes in moving fast and iterating quickly, often ahead of competitors. In tech, speed can make or break a product. Take Tesla, for instance. While traditional car manufacturers took years to roll out electric cars, Tesla focused on rapid production and improvements, allowing them to capture market attention. Their mantra is, "Fail fast, learn faster." Picture a busy kitchen where chefs whip up meals quickly to adapt to customers' requests. Musk's teams operate similarly, releasing products sooner and refining them based on real user feedback. This quick cycle sustains momentum, keeping competitors off balance. While others are still analyzing data and contemplating decisions, Musk just moves forward. Speed allows him to innovate continuously and stay relevant. As the pace of technology quickens, it's a clear reminder: in business, those who wait often miss the race. Elon Musk approaches challenges with the mindset of a scientist. Think about how scientists test hypotheses. They observe, experiment, and adapt based on results. Musk embodies this same approach to problem solving. For instance, when he faced battery efficiency issues in Tesla vehicles, instead of accepting the limitations, he researched, dove into the data, and figured out innovative battery chemistry alternatives. It's like trying to bake a cake. If the first recipe fails, you revise the ingredients and try again until you get it right. This scientific reasoning leads to continuous improvement and groundbreaking innovations. By breaking problems down to their fundamental principles, much like dissecting a complex puzzle, Musk uncovers solutions that others overlook. He challenges assumptions, and that radical questioning fosters a culture of innovation. Encouraging his teams to think critically and creatively, Musk empowers them to explore alternative solutions. Embracing scientific thinking ensures that every problem faced is likely an opportunity waiting to be discovered, driving success in unprecedented ways. To grasp Elon Musk's success, consider his commitment level. Imagine a devoted gardener tending to plants daily, nurturing growth, and adapting strategies to ensure they thrive. Similarly, Musk dedicates immense energy to his ventures. He doesn't clock in a standard 40-hour workweek. He dives headfirst into his projects, often working 80 to 100 hours a week. This relentless work ethic is inspirational, translating to unstoppable momentum in his businesses. His unwavering commitment is evident when he prioritizes time on the ground to solve pressing challenges in each enterprise. Picture a captain on a ship navigating rough seas. The more involved they are, the better they steer towards safe harbor. Musk embodies this leadership style, actively engaging and guiding his teams. While others might delegate tasks, he remains hands-on and accessible. This unwavering commitment draws top talent who admire his passion and want to be part of his vision. The dedication creates a culture of accountability, inspiring all to work towards shared ambitious goals. Disruption is at the core of Elon Musk's ventures. Picture an artist who disrupts the art world with an innovative style, creating waves of conversation and buzzing communities. Musk views existing industries as ripe for change. Tesla changed the auto industry, pushing gas cars to rethink their existence. He saw an opportunity to disrupt and seized it, leaving many established manufacturers scrambling to keep up. Consider the music industry before streaming platforms. It was revolutionized by those who weren't afraid to give audiences what they truly wanted. The same goes for Musk. He painstakingly identifies market inefficiencies and innovates around them. SpaceX aims to colonize Mars, redefining what space travel means. By striking at the heart of industries like automotive and aerospace, he transforms the conversation and challenges others to rethink their strategies. His bold moves inspire fresh ideas and solutions that flow beyond industry boundaries, encouraging everyone to embrace disruption as a catalyst for growth. Disruption is vital, challenging the status quo and reshaping our world. Elon Musk understands the value of strong teams. Imagine a band where every member plays their part harmoniously, creating beautiful music together. Musk gathers talent from various backgrounds to build diverse teams that share his vision. He thrives on collaboration, fostering an environment where everyone's opinions matter. Consider how movie directors work with cast and crew to create a masterpiece. They communicate openly, respecting various skills and ideas. Musk embodies this collaborative spirit by engaging his teams, motivating them to challenge each other's ideas. Recognizing that innovation flourishes when diverse minds come together, he ensures that every voice is heard. This culture of collaboration attracts talent who aren't just looking for a job, but a chance to contribute meaningfully. Talented people gravitate towards an environment where they can grow, learn, and leave a mark. By prioritizing strong teams, Musk cultivates an ecosystem of innovation that continually challenges industry standards, ensuring that collective creativity becomes a powerful driver of success. Ultimately, Elon Musk's success stems from his unwavering passion. Think of a gardener who doesn't just plant flowers, but nurtures a thriving ecosystem filled with life. This passion fuels everything he does. He's not just building companies, he's creating a vision for a sustainable future. When you're genuinely passionate, it shows. Imagine a teacher inspiring students with their love for learning, igniting curiosity and enthusiasm. Musk's passion motivates his teams and resonates with consumers who buy into the vision. Tesla isn't just a car, it represents a movement toward a cleaner planet, while SpaceX ignites dreams of space exploration and discovery. This genuine passion builds loyalty among fans and supporters, creating a community around ideas and values. Encouraging others to share in this vision captures imaginations and inspires action, driving large-scale changes. If you want to compete, remember, combining relentless determination, vibrant passion, and innovative thinking can help you rise above the noise. It challenges everyone to pursue their dreams relentlessly and make an impact as well. For more videos from Wealth Code, don't forget to like and subscribe.